guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna be going downstairs, and today, well, my cousin is here. She's named she's named Lily Fun, and you guys subscribe to her and subscribe to someone she much. And today, well, guess what? We have a baby bird. Look, he's so cute. He's okay, but he actually really wants food. He actually loves food. He just wants so much, and he's pooed everywhere. It's good for the bird, but I don't think it's good for the nest we made. Are you okay? Did you eat it? You bit me. What the? I'm trying it. Okay? Are you okay? Do you want to go in that nest? How happy do you want to go? You got your legs stuck. Wait, you got your legs stuck. You're stuck. Oh, your leg is stuck. Let's pull that. Okay. Big please. He wants you to like and subscribe. Otherwise, he will die in the morning. Please, you gotta like and subscribe. He might die. If you don't say like and subscribe, he will die. So you better subscribe. Please, are you okay? Are you okay? The bird's okay, but you still need to subscribe. You need to do it in 3, 2, 1. Yes, you have subscribed to our channel, so the baby bird is okay. It's okay, little guy. Do you need some food? Open up, open up. Do you want some food? Open up. Open up, little guy. Are you full? Do you want some food? Okay. Have you commented and shared? Because he wants some food. Comment and share, otherwise he'll eat it. Eat it? You need to comment and share. Just comment and share for that bird. Do it. Do it. Do it. You haven't subscribed. The most important thing is subscribing. Guys, you need to do this. You got to share and comment. Comment is so cute. That's all you need to do, guys. Just do it. I'm waiting. Do you want food? Okay. Goodbye. Let me check on him in the morning. But I'm not going to do that just yet. Come on, we got to save that baby bird. I hope he's still okay. I'm over here. He's okay. Hello. Okay. He's still okay. But like he subscribed. Holy guys, there is another baby bird. Where did you find it? It was stuck in the bushes. It's getting windy, Nana. Do you think you should put the baby bird in the shed?
Yeah, I think so. It's cold.
It's gonna be cold. What do we have to put it inside?
In the shed. Go put it in the shed. It's so nice and warm.
Molly, we need to put that bird in the shed. It's so cold outside. What are you doing? subscribe. Okay. What? I spell sub S-U-B. Scribe. Okay. You're subscribing. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hi guys, welcome back to the other video. Yeah, he's still there, he's alive. We fed him, and I made a time, and we named him Tiddles.
Come on, buddy, let's go find the other bird.
Yeah, we found another bird. I told you that earlier, so, yeah, there was like 40 minutes ago. There's another bird. Might be out now. See ya, babe.
Let's go look for it. So this is the last place we saw the bird. Maybe it went back to its nest. Yeah, maybe.
What? The nest? The nest is over here, Marley. We haven't found another baby bird.
I think I'm just going to keep Tiddles.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep Tiddles. I really want that bird. Lucky we found one. Yeah, Tiddles. We only have Tiddles, guy. Do you want to like and subscribe? Otherwise, he might die in the night. If you like and subscribe, he won't. If you don't, he will. And his other friend will come. Hi guys, welcome back to your video. And guess what? He's alive. He survived the night. Are you hungry? Oh, you're hungry. I'll try to give you some. Oh. Okay.
How's your bird, buddy?
He's good. I feed him.
Did you? Nana fed him this morning too.
I know. Riley's made a new channel called Tiddles Vlog. And I'm gonna make my channel called Super Cute Tiddles. What are you doing? I'm just watching. He changed it to Tiddles Vlog. Tiddles.
Where's your movie, buddy?
What's going on? Is she gonna take Tiddles?
Yeah.
We had a good time with Tiddles.
He's going to come back, buddy.
He wants food. He bit me. You know, I think he's hungry. Hungry? You hungry? Want food? Do you want food?
This is Bodie.
Hi.
This is Marley.
Hi, Marley.
And this is Tiddles.
Hi, Tiddles.
And this is Indy.
Hello, Indy.
And Tiddles is he's quite well grown. He just needs his back wings.
Got a little square.
He has a little scratch. I think I'll put that. He's got a little bald patch. I think he got it when he fell out of the nest. Now two fell out, well we couldn't catch the other one.
Oh, okay.
So he's
Yeah.
I don't know where he's gone. So
I wonder if are you going out and about today? I don't.
no, you might want to come back.
Yeah. When do you go?
We don't go to Tuesday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they all go today.
Right.
So they're going to say goodbye.
Yeah.
But we can leave him here if he
Yeah.
can come back anytime.
Just I'm thinking that's going to be tricky on the bike.
Yeah.
He's hungry.
He's hungry. So we've just been soaking. I just got bread and milk here that I'm soaking at the moment. I googled it last night and they said, little worms chopped up or warmed up kit. Yeah, I reckon, because it's got the protein in it.
Yeah.
But I mean, look, he's surviving. I said to the kids he mightn't survive that. He's quite calm. Ooh, he's hungry.
He's hungry. Cool. I'll come back. I might bring the grandkids with me.
Oh, yeah.
I want him to
He's
keep
going to
in
stay
it.
here a little bit longer.
Oh, we might even borrow your blue box.
Yeah, take the box.
Yeah, take the ball.
Tiddles, just because it's got its beautiful name.
Yeah, and we'll take everything out and put in his clean paper.
Cool.
He likes that cardboard box thing, so we might leave that in its
Okay.
container. He sits in there.
I'll come back.
Okay.
He sits in it and poos.
Keep him, right, Tiddles?
No, she's looking after him while we're away. Right, so we need to lift that up, guys. We're going to clean this cage out.
Yeah.
So I'm holding
Put him in
it.
here.
That's a good idea, man. Oh,
Can I hold him?
can you shut it? Can you shut
I'll shut it.
Oh. Right, we're just going to
I give him a...
Tiddles.
No, don't put the little Nana. Will scare him.
Yeah, we might get out of that and break his leg.
The little Nana.
Right, now we can clean them out.
Will he be okay?
Put him in there. He's alright, he's quite cute.
Oh.
Right, are you getting some newspaper to put down?
Is he okay?
Yeah, you need to get newspaper down. Clean up this cage. Well, that's good. What's that? Nursery stuff. Oh, it should be really good.
Wait, I know. I want to do time lapse.
Keep Tiddles.
Yeah, we know that. We can't keep them right here. He's going to stay with him right, until you come back.
Nina?
Oh, you mean come back to this one at Christmas?
Yeah.
Nina?
Then we can
Can I do a time lapse instead of recording?
whatever you want, right? What else is going there, is it?
A little house like a
Hi.
What else are you taking this out or are you keeping it?
And can we make a little doghouse with a heart? Brody, I told you not to open it.
You're not in charge, Barney.
It's alright.
I know, but he's trying to get out. Like yeah, I want him.
He's alright. He's alright. Do you want this out? He's getting a bit hot. Is he ready to go back in?
No.
Hi.
Just warming it up a bit. It's a bit
Do you
cold.
like it?
Okay. I've got some fresh stuff.
Is it pom-pom?
Is that better, Marnie? Yeah.
I'm going to put some pom-poms in.
I'm not gonna do
Nina,
that.
can you shut the door? He's getting a cold, I think.
Okay, sorry. It's hot. He's hungry. But that's not too
He's
cold.
hungry.
I don't even worry about it, Marnie.
Worry about what?
Touching this. He likes a little box, eh? It's like his
Like
little nest.
sits
He
in
thinks it's his nest.
No, he doesn't want any more, Nana.
It's probably a bit cold for him.
You shut
They
that.
just scored or something.
Oh, I heard them yelling. But no, they haven't. They just stick with
They're yelling like they've just done something.
it.
Are they behind?
Yeah. Maybe they are behind, yeah.
They might not have Spy there. I've never seen a disc there yet.
I don't know.
Oh. Can you put some more pom-poms?
Oh, sorry,
Put the
Mummy.
whole bag of pom-poms in.
No, he's... Oh, do you want it? Do you want it? You mean to touch the beak if you want it. Do you want it?
He just wants to stay with this at the moment. Pom-poms. This is going to keep you warm at night, Tiddles. He's hungry, Nana.
He just opened his mouth.
He's like,
See what I did?
I've got warm fingers.
Where's his food area?
no, he's not hungry. I put my...
Is that too many in there? How would he fit? I think takes him out. He's got to give room for himself.
That good? More? But I'm trying to make him warm so he can like,
Snuggle.
yeah,
I think he needs room for himself.
yeah, move it over a little bit, buddy.
Maybe it's cold.
Keep that up if you don't want it calling him that and dying, but suffocating.
Oh gosh, he's sick. It's very cute, isn't he? Done a good job, guys, looking after him.
Yeah.
Good mummies and daddies.
I think he really likes us
I
now.
think he loves you guys.
I don't want to give him away.
Well, it's the best outcome, Marlene. Because then we can go and see him in the holidays, because I know she will.
But what about...
We'll get him
Oh,
back.
what I know. What about on Christmas?
Yeah, Christmas he can come back. Have a holiday with us.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
gonna
the
stay
whole
with us
holiday.
but only
Oh,
the whole.
Mum, look at Bodhi's feet and your feet.
What?
Mum can fit my shoes because she can obviously fit Bodhi's.
You've got huge feet. Bodhi's feet and his feet.
Hi.
And his shoe.
Nana, what should we put with him?
Why don't you rather make a nice little letter? What about your book? You'd like your book, my friend Tiddles?
No, we're gonna keep.
You're going to keep doing your book.
Yeah. Okay. Shall we do 10 minutes of our book, Molly?
I'll tell you what, when you've got little videos of them, I'll send it to Cheryl.
Who?
Cheryl, she's in it.
Oh, okay. Time lapse, here we go. And feed him lots of milk. Then we're having milk and bread. I think I'm done with my story, Molly. Are there 3 pages?
Video of Tiddles' new made house.
Oh, yeah, look at his new house. He's got some plants and TV and everything. It's so cute. What else do we have? I know. We can go to the warehouse. And this is what we should buy. What? Like a little pod so we can swim in.
Oh yeah. Nana, do you reckon we can buy Tiddles a little outfit?
Yeah, like an outfit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would be cool. Who's that, Edith? You can write him a little note.
No, but Nana, can we have something to something like cute like that? That's cool.
Yeah.
No way. My mother would not want that in there. You need to draw him a little picture and stick it on the side with sellotape.
Like what?
We'll do that soon.
A little picture of you guys.
I've already done it.
Look, Brody, Indy, and
Can
Marty.
you take a photo of us and then put it on?
Can I put it out?
Yeah?
Let's get something to play with. What was Tiddles
Got a little something to play with.
Yeah, it's right there.
Google it.
You could make a little.
Google it.